Judges wanted to see more of them. Well, that wish has been granted. Will they like it? Here is Claude McKay High School.
And him not cheat me like no.
Well, Claude McKay, you showed us in the last round that you're a school of style. And you brought your school of style into this round too. You people really sing together well. I like the choice of harmony that you used, and they were consistent, especially the part that they kept repeating. I think that maybe you could have gone outside of that style a little bit, just for a little refreshment, and come back in.
Gentlemen, you all have to sing the same thing at the same time, yes? That will help a little bit. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Claude McKay, I didn't like the slow beginning, but when you brought in the Jamaican rhythm, oh God, yeah, I got excited. The dancehall section was just okay. There were some serious pitch issues along the way, but let's all vote for you and see what happens.
Thank you. Did Claude McKay deliver a solid one? If they did, then vote, 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 and just keep on voting by calling or texting 444-8807.